Welcome to the Rebel Technologist Journal. My name is Brett Sinclair. I'm the co-founder of TerraFlow. It's episode 8, and I'm doing my best to find time to get this done. Absolutely loving it. Lots of learning. Got to do it in the most craziest hours of the day, but I'm doing it, guys. It's about trying to build consistency. So we're launching a new content channel. It's going to be called Rebel Technologist. We've done a lot, right? We've got the brand, we've got the defined audience, we figured out our content kind of plan, what we're going to talk about, what we're going to test, figure all these things out. We've built all our assets, design assets, websites, YouTube. I even set up a YouTube page. But key to this is going to be a podcast. Gulp. I have been on many podcasts. I've been part of many podcasts, but I've never created a podcast. So, enjoy this. I'm going to try something very, very different. I am going to try literally demonstrate to you how easy it is with me doing it the very first time I have ever done it. So I'm probably going to stumble through a couple of issues. You might see me there a bit dumbstruck. But hey, this could be fun. So come along and join me on this exciting journey. My first tip, my good friend Peter Alkema, absolute legend. He has a massive Udemy following. I started here, guys. Don't think you're a pro. Go study it. Go do some research on it. He's got a phenomenal course, Launch a Podcast in 5 Days, a beginner's guide, that's me, to podcasting. I really enjoyed it, Pete. Really good. Went through all the different areas. I think I'm about 70% of the way through, but I'm so excited to get cracking. The main thing here is getting your content diary right, getting into a habit, getting into consistency. And Peter does a phenomenal job kind of talking us through what we need to do. He's an absolute rock star, guys. I couldn't recommend anyone better to help you through this journey. So, brace yourselves, put your seatbelts on. It's time to see Brett do this. So, yes, I have decided I'm going to do it on Anchor. Why? Because Peter told me to. I did a couple of Googles to see what the top platforms are. They're all match of a matchness. I like the idea of being part of the Spotify community. I think they're a really cool business. I watched their show on Netflix. Really fun. An absolute watch if you must. I think it's called Playlist. All about the Spotify journey. But here I am. So I logged on. I signed up. And it takes you to this screen before you can publish any. That's great. Before you can publish it, don't forget to verify your email address. Of course I would have verified my email address. There's no ways I would have paused the video and quickly gone back and verified it and then refreshed the screen and hope that it... You see? Of course I verified it. Come on, guys. You're talking to a pro here. So, shall we do it? Shall I even try to record my first episode in front of you guys? This could be desperately embarrassing. Oh, who knows what's going to happen here? Anyway, why not? Shall we give it a bash? Thumbs up. I bet all of you are like, yeah, this is going to be fun. Watch this clown. Okay, I'm going to just give it a bash. Here we go. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Rebel Technologist Show. We're so excited to be launching this podcast where we are going to talk to Rebel Technologists and understand the key traits about what it is like to be a Rebel Technologist. For everyone who wants to be a Rebel Technologist, everyone who is a Rebel Technologist, we are going to share information about the challenges within organizations to move from one legacy technology environment to the latest set of technology, whether it's AI, whether it's building code using microservices. Okay, that's a little bit, 2010s. Anyway, doesn't matter. Loading it into Kubernetes and doing some incredible work in the infrastructure space. But how do you get from that monolithic piece to... Okay, I'm going on. I know I'm ranting. But the point is we know there's a huge amount of change coming. Why? Because AI has democratized. What does that mean? It means everyone wants to use AI in their business, in their world. So what do you have to do around your entire technology base to make it happen? And we're going to deconstruct the entire architecture space. It won't be just a techie space. It's going to be for business people to really understand what's going on in the back end of your business, to understand what it takes to become this modern AI-driven business. Super important. Used to be digital, now it's AI. I think before then it was computerized. But how do you keep on changing? How do you keep on moving forward? And so we're going to speak to some of the best Rebel technologists in the world. If you know some Rebel technologists, please do us a favor. Get them to contact us. We'd love to have a chat to them. Whether they're CIOs, CTOs, architects, business owners, product owners, founders, I want to understand the core makeup of what it takes to be that individual to stump it up and make change and drive it forward in the world of technology. I really hope that was it. Oh, you're fucking kidding me. Really? Seriously? Do you see that over there? Should have clicked allow, Brett. Yes, I should have clicked allow. So you're learning things as you go. Now I get to pick my microphone and I can go record now. Now I'm not going to record now. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to take a recording from this and I'm going to load it in. So see you soon. Gotta love technology because managed to save the day. I am back. That was a quick cut in time. And so you can either record straight onto a computer or you can browse and upload a pre-recorded environment or recording. And that's exactly what I did with you. And I just didn't have my mic on, of course. That was pretty silly. But thank goodness for iMovie, quickly banged it in there, uploaded it into iMovie, did some edits, cut it down, and exported it as an audio file, an MP3 file. Well, that looks like it's done, so I'm going to click Save Episode. That's brilliant. Rebel Technologist, first episode ever. I don't know what I'm going to say here, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to ChatGPT. You knew I was going to do that. And I'm going to make a quick description and get it to tidy it up for me. Please rewrite the text below for a podcast description. The Rebel Technologist is all about finding the world's best Rebel technologists, creating the world's best Rebel technologists. This is the podcast where you will learn, you will be able to share information and be part of a journey of taking traditional business into the future. What do you think? Not bad, right? Hate it when I forget to take it off. Into the future. So, I've got that down. I've said, please read the text below. Rewrite the text below for a podcast description. So let's just delineate that. Great, fantastic. Got that all there. So I'm going to go, thank you very much. Let's see what it's like. We're not just trading tech, we're exploring it. That's pretty cool. Everyone like that? I like it. Going to take that and got to find where I'm going. I'm not going there. I'm actually somewhere here, aren't I? I'm over here. Brilliant. So let's bang it in there. Super happy with that. Shall we publish this now? Might as well. There's no harm. Might as well get it done. Am I going to do polls or Q&As? Well, no, thank you. Season number. Well, this is the first of the first. Oh, it's season number 1, episode number 1. And content is clean. Shall we upload some new episode art? I think we should. I think I might have something to upload. I'll just quickly have a peek here. Let's see. Let's do this. I think that'll work. Everyone happy with that? Yeah, that should do. It's not quite the right format, but it will be fine. I am sure of it. Okay, so I think we're ready to go. We've uploaded new arts. Okay, I don't know what I need to do next. Brilliant. Thank you very much. Set up your podcast. Okay, well, let's call it the Rebel Technologist. You know what I've just realized? This should be here. This is our first show, and we hope to publish many more. That makes more sense, doesn't it? The Rebel Technologist Show. So, guys, a big thing I've got to let you guys think about is, see how prepared you've got to be? You've got to really have an idea of what you want to talk about. You've got to have an idea of what the brand looks like, what the content looks like. Otherwise, you can't move as fast as what I'm moving here. So what would you say? I would say it's in technology. Again, I'm not 100% certain. That's quite a broad one. That'll do. And, of course, it's in English because I can't speak anything else. And choose some cover art. Well, you know what? I'm going to pick exactly the same. And you know what? You can always go back and make sure that it works. Do I need to add any other? I'm perfectly happy with it as that. You see, that's quite nice that they give you the ability to quickly throw something together. Guys, my advice is don't do that. Spend a bit of money. Go to Fiverr. Remember Peter Alkemer? Cool guy? Well, his biggest recommendations always use people from Fiverr. You're going to get some rubbish, but you are going to find some gems there. Know that's the case. Look at that. Are we almost live? We are live. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Rebel Technologist Show. I hope you enjoyed this while Brett sat there sweating. I can't believe how tough that was. But I have to admit, it wasn't. This is what it takes to build a podcast. Now it's available on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, you name it, Amazon Music, you name it, it is there. I'm sure I probably have to do a couple of little tweaks here and there, but I'm pretty much done. I'm going to post the Spotify link and you can have a listen to see how much I cheated or not. Trust me, I didn't. What you saw is what you got. Guys, one more episode left. I am so amped. It is going to be the official show. And it's going to be the making of that show. What I'm going to do to get it prepared, what I'm going to talk about, and then I'm going to record it, not in that show, but we'll publish it across YouTube, across the podcast, and distribute it across all the different social medias. So I hope you're learning. Hope you've had as much fun as me. A lot of deep breathing. Yep, it's been tough. Thank you very much.